is how to make your own YouTube intro through AI. The audio was very laggy. You can kind of hear it in the background. But here you guys go. It's gonna give you this screen. This thing right here at the bottom that I'm highlighting. It won't give you the pictures because I already made this video. Doesn't really matter to me. I'm sticking to general, 9:16, TikTok, whatever. I'm going 16:9 YouTube banner. So in here, put quotations and then the words you want AI to try to say. So I'm gonna put world.tc, purple background, because that's just kind of my theme right now. And then let's throw some, normally I would say, yeah, you know what, let's do right here. And let's even make right or written in all gold. Maybe that's a little better for AI to interpret. So you can play around with this until you get the image that you want, because AI is very experimental, but it's also very capable. So let's go. And then I tried to do a sword in the background, but let's just go with one more detail like clouds. Blue clouds. Let's see what it can generate. The more descriptive you get, the better, because then it can kind of, see, it's working around what we're saying. I don't see Leroy TC anywhere. Just say if you drag it down there and then just as easily put text in there that says your name, which is probably what I'm gonna do, honestly. So let's see. Let's go for a good background there. Kind of like this one with the trees. If you like one, just go down here, click HD. Giant gold sword at that. Giant gold. Got the nice cloud, so let's do HD. You know what, let's go for that. For the sake of the video and time's sake. Now let's add that. Now, once you add this into your timeline, go ahead and extend it. Spot. I'm gonna go 8, line it up, and then let's go straight to effects. And so the first step was getting that banner. Now the second step is gonna be making it look as cool as possible. So in the corner, you can see this animation that's flickering up in the top right. That's my personal favorite for intros, because it makes the video look a lot better. Nice. Now, by the way, I do have the pro version, but you guys don't need it to create something just as good. If you're really looking in there hard enough, you don't need. Let's go ahead. And then let's go ahead and trim it so that it's not into our in and out animations. There we go. Now, light. Alright, that should fix some of the lagging in this. So now, let's restart the video one more time. See what we're working with. We got nice coming in, nice visual effects to keep viewers engaged, and then a nice, quick, and simple to text. default text, and we're gonna add that in. Not even to the front. Let's do after that. Hit that. Double click, please. Okay, there we go. It's up in the top right. Let's delete default text, and we want whatever name you're going for, or banner, whatever words you want to put here. So I'm just gonna put basic Leroy TC. This. Here we go, guys. Like I said, my style is kind of gold, purple. All right, now let's go back to basic. Let's see what she's looking like. So she's looking like that with the purple underneath. But guess what, guys? There's an option for, is it down here? Glow, right here. You scroll down, in that category you get glow. Click on glow. I want this one that looks insane. You can already see how it gives it the gold hue, but instead I like purple. I need more purple in there, right? You can't even see the purple. Now let's go for animations. The first thing we did with the picture to give it that sweet look. Now let's see how this looks. And the glow is moving with it. That is lovely. Change that to maybe 1 second or 1.2. Just a little laggy, guys. My laptop is not that capable. So now let's go to out, and I kind of wanted to swing with, yeah, I want to swing down with it at the end. Let's see if we can understand that and how it would look if they swing down together. Nice. Sound effects, guys. You gotta get the sound effects, because if you don't, it's not gonna sound very engaging or real. So in the first seconds we have almost. Oh, yeah, I like this. Stay and watch the intro. I'm gonna keep playing with this. So let's see.